Hello team, Dan Jascott from Empower Leadership here. I hope you are all healthy and keeping up on the newly formed safety routines. It sounds like school is going to be distant for quite some time, possibly through the remainder of the school year. And the Empower team realizes that the extension of distance learning may serve as a big challenge for teachers, students, and parents. And we're very excited and happy to share some online resources with you to help overcome that challenge. If you visit our website, leadwithempower.com/services, you'll find a free distance learning workshop, which is approximately about a 30-minute lesson, a free video blog that highlights the 6 elements of winning at leadership, and then next week, we'll be starting up a free Empower from Home activity of the week, and those will come out on Mondays. We're also offering our Emerge online leadership and team building workshops that include fun and engaging team building activities that are designed to get the students to work together and kind of feel that sense of connectedness. And those are all digitally administered via Zoom conferencing. These are definitely challenging times indeed. However, if we all stick together and try to do our best each day, we'll come out stronger and more resilient and with a greater appreciation for our classmates, teachers, and our schools. Wishing you all health and safety, and look forward to sharing some adventures with you hopefully in the very near future.